Think of this, the moon, with a twin. You look up at the night sky, but something feels different. A second moon has appeared above us. But wait, it's not orbiting Earth, it's actually circling the moon itself. Unbelievable, right? A moon with its own smaller moon? But here's the twist, this isn't just science fiction. This could have been our reality. What life would be like if Earth had not one but two moons? Would tides swallow our cities? Would nights become brighter than days? Or could humanity even survive in such a world? Let's rewind. 4.5 billion years ago. Back then, Earth wasn't the calm blue planet we know today. It was chaos, a fiery, molten world. Then, a Mars-sized protoplanet scientists call it Theia slammed into Earth with unimaginable force. The result? A massive explosion that threw billions of tons of rock and debris into space. From that chaos, our moon was born. But here's the twist. Evidence suggests there might have been a second moon too, a smaller one quietly circling Earth for millions of years. Until one day, it collided with the bigger moon, merging into the single satellite we see today. Now, let's rewrite history. Let's say that smaller moon never crashed. From Earth, nights would look completely different. The main moon would shine like usual, but the second moon, slightly smaller but would orbit nearby, glowing like a loyal companion. Nights would be brighter. So bright that in some places you could read a book outdoors at midnight without turning on a light. Romantic walks under the moonlight? Yeah, they'd be twice as magical. But beauty isn't the only change. Two moons mean two tidal forces. Imagine standing on a beach, waves crashing higher and stronger than ever before. Surfers? Oh, they'd call this paradise. But for people living near the coast, well, they'd have to think twice. Why? Because tides are controlled by the gravitational pull of the moon. Now, with two moons pulling from different directions, the oceans would dance like never before, creating unpredictable, massive tides. The second moon, if it were smaller, wouldn't be as destructive, but if it was close to the size of our current moon, waves could reach 300 meters high. That's nearly 1,000 feet. Entire coastlines would vanish. And here's another twist. With two moons shining down, many nocturnal animals would struggle. Predators that rely on darkness to hunt, like owls, bats, or leopards, would be exposed in the brighter nights, throwing ecosystems out of balance. But what about humans? We'd adapt, because that's what we do best. Our ancestors might have developed completely different calendars, not based on one moon cycle, but on two. Months wouldn't be 30 days. Maybe they'd be 20 or 40, depending on how the moons aligned. Imagine cultures, festivals, even religions built around the twin moons. Stories of gods and lovers in the sky, poems and songs about the second light. Nighttime farming would be possible. Energy consumption for streetlights would drop, because the nights would never be fully dark. But here's where it gets dangerous. Over millions of years, our moons would slowly drift apart. Eventually, their delicate dance would break. They'd spiral toward each other. Until one night, you'd look up and see two moons glowing brighter than ever. And then, boom! A slow-motion collision, filling the sky with light and debris. Chunks of rock, some as small as pebbles, others as big as cities, raining down on Earth. It would be a storm of meteorites powerful enough to wipe out life as we know it. The Earth would change forever, and whatever survived would look up at the sky one day and see a brand new moon forming from the chaos. So, what if Earth had two moons? At first, it would be breathtaking. Two silver lights guiding sailors, inspiring poets, and mesmerizing every generation. A brighter, more magical world. But over time, the same moons that gave us beauty could bring destruction. It's a reminder of how fragile our balance in space truly is. How one extra moon could change everything about our planet, our lives, and even our survival. Now, let me ask you this. If you could choose, would you want to live on an Earth with two moons? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and because I'd love to know. And hey, if you enjoyed this journey into the impossible, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.